So guys, while the South Korean giant Samsung is preparing to launch its next generation Galaxy Note series smartphone, we are already getting leaks related to the company's next year's Galaxy S series flagship smartphone. So earlier there was report that Samsung Galaxy S10 could come with a narrow bezel surrounding the display, and a concept video was also released by concept creator that showcased a similar design. Now, leakster Ice Universe has posted an image of a smartphone with extremely narrow bezels. While the post doesn't mention that this is the Samsung Galaxy S10, he refers to the design as Beyond, which is the code name that Samsung is using to develop its upcoming flagship smartphone. So this could be the first ever live look of the Samsung Galaxy S10. The Samsung Galaxy S10 will definitely look like this. The image shows that Samsung intends to take the infinity display concept to another level with extremely narrow bezels surrounding the display. Guys, interestingly, the leaked image which shows the phone's front panel indicates that there won't be a notch on the top of the display, a concept that most of the smartphone manufacturers seem to have accepted for the flagship smartphone this year. With such narrow bezels, there's no space to accommodate sensors, and in the leaked image also no sensors are visible. There's possibility that the company has opted to keep the sensors under the display. Earlier reports related to the device also suggested that it could come with an under-display fingerprint sensor, which we have already confirmed that the Samsung Galaxy S10 will come with under-display fingerprint sensor. Another possibility is the company could opt for a smartphone design similar to the Oppo Find X with pop-out modules. It will be interesting to see how the company tackles this issue. Recent reports indicate that the phone will come with a 6.2-inch display capable of emitting sound. Samsung had showcased its sound-emitting display concept at the Society of Information Displays, where instead of an earpiece, the vibration and bone conduction of the display panel carries the sound. The Galaxy S10 could also be Samsung's first phone to come with a 3D facial recognition similar to the iPhone X and Xiaomi Mi 8 Explorer Edition. The Samsung Galaxy S10, expected to be powered by Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 855 chipset, may get officially announced in January 2019. If the company actually launches the S10 with such screen to body ratio, the company could have a winner on its hands now. So guys, what's your thoughts on this beautiful design? Please let me know your thoughts in comments down below. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.